Hey all, today, I will introduce to you a product produced by our factory, Consequently excavator of this model. What about our excavator? One chassis of the whole vehicle is 1.1 meters, and then the whole car uses a 230 trap. Greater contact area with the ground. It is more stable to work. What about our 18U car? The largest one has a depth of 2 meters. The largest excavation height can reach 3 meters for carrying a 18U excavator. Perkins engines imported from the UK. Fuel efficient, durable, and easy to open. Standard solid cast iron counterweight for the whole vehicle. Work hard. Our 18U excavator is suitable for municipal engineering. The house is broken, personal rental, and other working conditions. If you need this car, the boss can contact you.